If you are looking for easy makeup tutorials to follow, go ahead and try this one. I did the least amount of edits in this video so you can see exactly step by step how I took my gray eyeshadow and I placed it on top of my black eyeliner and I winged it out just a little bit here in the corner of my eye. Now, I'm even blending it out with my fingers just a bit so that I'm able to get a very natural blended out finish. You can see that I'm putting it on the bottom lash line like I always do, but then I'm pulling up towards my temple and towards my eyebrow. Taking a smaller brush, I'm just blending out those edges so that it looks like a natural extension of my under eye and my bottom lash line. I want to make sure that my eyelashes look really thick, just very feminine. I'm connecting those two lines from the top and the bottom, and I'm winging it out just a bit, blending still with my fingertip. Now I'm taking the same gray eyeshadow and I'm putting it just in the crease of my eye. You can tell it's in the deepest part of my eye socket, where my eyes are naturally going to fold. And that's going to give me the most feminine sort of look. It gives me just an accentuation of my deepest part of my eye, and it just makes you look kind of nice and defined without it being too dark or too heavy on the eye. I think you guys were hinting a lot in my videos that you wanted something a little bit more feminine, so I really hope that you love this look. The last little bit of blending I'm just doing with my fingertip and just making sure that those lines are nice and blended out and everything looks really natural and seamless. So please let me know if you try this look. It is so easy. You can see it took me 2 minutes. Enjoy!